Hello everyone, in this video I'm doing the brown glitter eye makeup, which is very easy to do. First of all, I'm applying this cocoa brown shade on my eyelid, and the same shade I will apply under my eyelid. If you are a beginner, then you can also do it with these simple steps. Blending is the key of the makeup and you have to blend it very well. Both eye shades must be connected. That I am highlighting my brow bone area with a silver shade. Usually golden goes with the brown eye shade, but I'm applying the silver shade. After that, with the same shade, I am highlighting my tear duct. For the halo eyes effect, I am using the black eye shade for the corner of my outer corner and inner corner, both sided. With the help of empty brush, blend the brow bone and the crease area. Same black shade I'm applying under my eye. Then I'm using the pressed glitter, brown pressed glitter for the center of my eyelid. Applying glitter in the center of your eye, it will enhance plate look. Curl my eyelashes with this tool and applying mascara. And if you want the fake eyelashes, you can also apply that